And we're rolling.
Rest of the night.
Thank you, Dr. Pepper, for making my dream come true.
Yep, that was better.
You weren't taking a big sip this time.
I was sipping. I'm waiting for it this time.
Hold on.
Because we always do have another one, you know. First time drinking. First time drinking soda in 2 years, and she let out a big belch before.
More like tray.
Okay, like 2, I think.
I think I'm good.
I love the burping.
Okay, I think I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
You're
sure.
making me sick.
Positive.